We sold 25 items in a row. Show has been concluded. We ended up selling 14 shirts. And on top of that, I was trying to accomplish another goal. Whatnot has a 1,000 item threshold to where you can then get instant payouts. Welcome back to the Dollar to Datsun Challenge, and today we are going to be cleaning up a lot of the items that we got at storage units, and we're going to be selling them on Whatnot for a profit. Now, if you guys are new to the series, we are going to take $1 and turn it into my attainable dream card, the Datsun 240Z. One of the ways we've been doing this is flipping items that we've been getting in abandoned storage lockers. Now, when you get an abandoned storage locker, you get an abundance of random things like collectibles, like clothing, shoes, whole bunch of stuff that you could list, but it might take forever to list them up, and they might not be worth more than like maybe $10, $15 an item. So what I do is I use an app called Whatnot that you can go live, you do an auction, and you can sell things to people online, and a lot of times they buy multiple items and you can bundle them up, ship them all at once, and it just cleans you out as efficiently as possible. So let me walk you through my process. So we have a show here in about 14 minutes, and what we're gonna be selling are all of these collectibles. We have Star Wars, we have Marvel, we've got DC, we've got a whole bunch of Pez, we got the whole gang here, Harry Potter, and Hermione and Ron, and a whole bunch of stuff here. Now, this all individually sells between $10 and $20 a piece. Sounds good, but they're not heavily sought after because they're not terribly old. So I'm gonna go ahead and sell these on my Whatnot, which you guys can check out in the description. And I'll list something like this. LeBron James, I'll say, hey, starting this at $1, LeBron James premium vinyl figure, we'll start it at $1, set the timer for 20 seconds, and people will bid on it. Somebody could buy it for $1, it might go up as high as $10, $15, whatever people are willing to pay for it. Now, let's say the person who bought this also wants Master Chief and, our Game of Thrones Funko Pop here. So those all get sold to the same person, they get bundled up, same box, ship it out of your hair, you're done. Now, not only is this efficient for me because I'm cleaning up stuff and giving people great deals, it's also a really fun and entertaining time because you go live, you're listening to music, and you're hanging out with your friends that you invite. I personally have my buddy Marky who helps me run the shows, so we're always talking in the chat, chit-chatting, having a good time, and I really, really enjoy using Whatnot so far. I've only done 2 shows. This will be my 3rd, and I'm gonna film it, and you can see the time lapse of what we do, and then I'll come by in the end and let you know how much we made to put towards our Datsun goal. We got 12 minutes to prep, so I'm gonna set you guys up and we'll start selling stuff. All right, first show just got done and we sold 25 items in a row. Now, I sold these for a majority of about $1 a piece. We made $35, but the value here is that each one of these items is only worth about $10 to $15, and I already listed them and they've been sitting and nobody's been viewing them because they're not old, they're not super fancy, they are cool, but they're just not like super sought after. So to get these out of the house, clear space so that we can move on to the next thing, has a lot of value to me. And we were only doing that for about 45 minutes, so now we're gonna run a second show selling all the t-shirts. Remember all the pit stains? We got a bunch of the pit stains out of these shirts, and I'm super stoked about it, and we should be able to sell these for a few more dollars. So let's do the next show, and we will move on and see how much we make from this lot here. right, battery died, but the show has been concluded. We ended up selling 14 shirts and we only made about $15, which doesn't sound like a lot, but these shirts are only worth a very little amount. They're for a bad size, and by bad size I mean they're smalls, they're children's, they're kind of, you know, they're not like extra large vintage shirts or whatever. I do have some of those. Let me show you something really quick. So these are all like $10, $12 shirts, but something like this crispy Harley Davidson is gonna be going for some big money, $60, $70 with the tags, stuff like that. These are the big money ticket items. And that's just not what I was selling tonight. I was just trying to sell to, you know, get a couple dollars, free up space, and on top of that, I was trying to accomplish another goal. And that goal is that Whatnot has a 1,000 item threshold to where you can then get instant payout. So you have to use your bread and butter items, take some lower stuff, and just have fun and learn this platform. Like tonight was important because I learned how to do giveaways. So I'm gonna go ahead and pack up the giveaways to give to the people who joined. And I will be doing giveaways in future shows. So go into the link in my bio, sign up for Whatnot. You get $10 to $15 credit to use. And you don't have to use it on one of my auctions. It can be any auction you want. You know, if you're not into clothes or toys or whatever you're into, there's shows for it. Explore the app. It's a lot of fun. But this is what I'm going to be doing moving forward with these storage units. And I'm excited to continue doing these. So I'm not going to be doing Whatnot videos like this, but I just wanted to show you what Whatnot is and why I'm doing it and how it's helping us achieve our goal of taking $1 and turning it into a Datsun. If you guys are excited about that challenge, go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you're not already, and I will see you on the next video.